Hello, once again, you welcome to FTGF's weekly market outlook. And what we do is we analyze the markets and share with you potential market moves that can, help you in your trading decisions. Okay, and talking about trading decisions, you can use Ingot Brokers trading signals to, guide you in your trading decisions, or you can even use those signals to trade yourself. Okay, now you can find Ingot Brokers trading signals in your dashboard or in the MT5. So in the MT5, you log into your account, you come down to news. Okay, so news, you can see a lot of signals popping up here. Let's take gold news. Okay, so you click on this, and then as you can see here, it tells you there are high chances the price will keep going up. And honestly speaking, last week gold was on some bull run. Okay, so you can use Ingot Brokers trading signals from the MT5. Like I said, you log into MT5, you come to news, you see a lot of news here. You just select any of them. You can also access Ingot Brokers trading signals in your dashboard. So you log into your account, you scroll down, you click on resources. Okay, now at the resources, you scroll down, you see market analysis, and at the market analysis, you would see forex, crypto, stocks, indices, commodities, and also. Let's say if you want crypto, you scroll down here, you see a lot of trading signals on crypto. Okay, expected move, targets, pivots, and all. If it is forex, you click on the forex, you see the expected move, targets, and all. Okay, so once again, you are welcome. And like I said, you can use Ingot Brokers trading signals to make trading decisions. Okay, either from your dashboard or from the MT5. Now let's get straight into action. What we do is that with the trading, trading or our weekly market outlook, we approach it from two different, points of view: fundamental and technical. Okay, so with the fundamentals, we want to find out news events that will be coming up in the week and how they are going to affect the markets. Okay, so you come to Resource Hub, you scroll down, you click on Economic Calendar. Okay, the Economic Calendar. The economic calendar is going to tell us events coming up that has high chances of affecting the forex markets. Okay, so you scroll down left here. Next week, in the coming week is September. Okay, so September 1st, that's Monday, to September 5th. Okay, that's what we are interested in. Time GMT, that's right. The impact, high impact news. High impact news has high volatility. Okay, so you should expect some moves that can help you make some good money for yourself if you manage it well. Now, which countries would we or do we want to look at? All countries, we click, then we select US, Australia, Canada, Euro area. Now, you can choose any country of your choice. We are just choosing these countries. Okay, Japan. Let's go down. New Zealand, Switzerland, and United Kingdom. Okay. Now, selecting all of these, you come back here, click on high again, and then you see the news coming up this week. Okay, so Monday, that's on the first, you have Australia news coming from Australia, which is going to, and then news also coming from, the Eurozone. Okay, there's going to be high impact news also coming. That's unemployment rate news coming from that. That's region. Okay, now on Tuesday we have retail sales news coming from Switzerland. Okay, and it has some high impact because the last time that it came up, they were 34.51 pips move. Okay, so she tell you that it has potential of moving the market. Eurozone will still have inflation news coming up, core inflation and all of that. Australia GDP growth rates, and then US. Then on the 4th, okay, we have inflation rate news coming from Switzerland. So it tells you that there's going to be a lot of activities in Switzerland coming in the coming week. So I think if we would want to trade forex or in the forex market, Switzerland or CHF pairs, we need to pay good attention to. Okay, and then on Friday. Okay, on Friday, we have NFP, non-farm payroll news coming up. Almighty NFP. Check out my funny video on NFP. Okay, check out that and then see how it goes. Okay, and Canada, we have unemployment rate news and all of them coming. Now, looking at Almighty NFP, Switzerland also, unemployment rate news, inflation news coming up. For me, in the forex market, I would like us to look at USDCHF, that is United States dollar against Swiss francs. Okay, so now this is all about the fundamental analysis, or news coming up that has high chances of impacting the markets. Okay, so now let's look at the technical bit of or technical analysis point of view. Okay, now let's take the USDCHF that I mentioned earlier. Okay, now if you look at it closely, you would realize that the market has been in an uptrend for some time now, and we are choosing this as our reference point. Okay, this to this point. Okay, so now choosing this as our reference here. Okay, here price started the uptrend move started from there, and then price pulled back a little bit to this point, but then it got rejected by the uptrend line. Then the uptrend move continued, okay, to this point, and then it pulled back, and this happened on a Friday. Okay, it pulled back again, trying to reverse or trend reversal. Okay, and the uptrend line rejected it here again. Okay, so now if you're a trader looking out for a buy opportunity, once you have this uptrend line rejecting the price, you can also wait for another confirmation by waiting for the price or the candlestick to get rejected by the uptrend line again to the upside. Then you can place your buy trade. Okay, if you're also a trader looking out for a sell opportunity, you wait for the candlestick or the price to break the uptrend line to the downside, then you place your sell trade. Now, in all of these, always ensure you have proper risk management measures in place, and I'm referring to your stop loss, take profit, your lot size. If you have struggles with this, you can just use Ingot Brokers trading signals as well. Okay, now this is our trading opportunity, either buy or sell on USDCHF. Now let's look at oil. If you look at oil closely, you would realize that the price has been in a downtrend for some time now. So the downtrend, this is where the downtrend move started from, and then currently the price is hovering or getting closer to the downtrend line. So here, downtrend move started from here, okay, and then price pulled back, and then it got rejected by the downtrend line again at this point, and currently we can see price heading towards the downtrend line again. So if you're a trader looking out for a buy opportunity in oil, you wait for the price to break this downtrend line to the upside. Okay, so the candlestick or the price breaks it, price or the high chances price will keep going up. If you're also looking out for a sell opportunity, you wait for price to get rejected by the downtrend line to the downside, like I'm just doing at the moment, and then place your sell trade. But like I always say, in all of these, ensure you have proper risk management measures in place. That's stop loss or take profits. Okay. Let's look at gold. Almighty gold. Last week, gold did all that it could to get to its key resistance. Okay, so at this point you can all see that a moment. Okay, so first gold price, this was the initial resistance, or the highest price, which was recorded as the resistance as a key level. Price pulled back, it went down, and then it pulled back and got rejected at the key level again. Okay, and that is confirmed as the resistance. Now currently, as we all can see here, okay, you can see price breaking this resistance. Okay, a moment, we can all see price breaking the resistance at this point. Okay, at this point. Okay, so if you're a trader looking out for a buy opportunity, you can place your buy trade and have your stop loss below the resistance, the initial resistance, which is now broken and is serving as the support. Okay, if you're also a trader looking out for a sell opportunity, you can wait for price to fall back within, okay, or to break the current support to the downside. Then you place your sell trade. And like I always say, always ensure you have proper risk management measures in place. Okay, now BTCUSD. If you look at BTC last week, it was taking a down 10. Okay, but then if you look at the overall, the bigger picture, the price has been in an uptrend for some time now. So this being our reference, and then okay, so price started from here, the uptrend move started from here. Okay, and then price got rejected here by the same uptrend line, And currently, as we can see that the price has broken the uptrend line to the downside. Okay, so if you're a trader looking out for, a sell opportunity in BTC, looking at this, you can place your sell trade because you have the uptrend line broken to the downside, or you can wait for price to pull back a little bit to give you further confirmation to now place your sell trade. If you're also a trader looking out for a buy opportunity, you can wait for the price to break the uptrend line to the upside. Okay, and at that point you can now place your buy trade. Always ensure you have proper risk management measures in place. Okay, now if you're also a trader, aside the signals, you also want to copy trades from others, you can log into your account, go to copy trading. Okay, and then there are lots of people that or traders who are trading that you can copy from. Just search any name you find here, or you can look at the performance. Okay, once again, thank you very much for joining me. Catch you next week. Trade safe. NFP is at the corner. Trade with ingots to get proper support. Bye bye.